healthy.
I am healthy.
I am safe.
I am safe.
Okay, we'll do one more round. I am balanced.
I am balanced.
I am healthy.
I am healthy.
I am safe.
I am safe.
Nice. All right. Hey, this is Miss Michelle, and this week we had such a great class. Everyone was there ready to do yoga. We started learning about our root chakra, Muladhara, and how it has to do with the earth element and our foundations. And we learned yoga poses around home and foundations and feeling supported. And we also had some affirmations like you heard in the beginning. I am healthy, I am balanced, I am safe. We had a great class and a great turnout, and I'm grateful to be there with our other teachers and volunteers putting on the class. And I look forward to seeing all of these beautiful, amazing kids next week. Thank you so much. Namaste.